This short tutorial compares Canva and Photoshop, two popular image editing tools, and argues that Canva is better than Photoshop for most users. The lists 4 reasons why Canva is better. Number 1. Canva is easier to use than Photoshop. Canva has a simple and intuitive interface that allows users to create professional designs in minutes, while Photoshop has a steep learning curve and requires more technical skills. Number 2. Canva is cheaper than Photoshop. Canva offers a free plan and a low-cost premium plan, while Photoshop requires a monthly subscription fee that can be expensive for some users. Number 3. Canva is more collaborative than Photoshop. Canva allows users to share, edit, and comment on their designs with others in real time, while Photoshop does not have a built-in collaboration feature. Number 4. Canva is more versatile than Photoshop. Canva has thousands of templates, images, fonts, and graphics that users can choose from and customize for various purposes, while Photoshop is mainly focused on photo editing and manipulation. Here we concludes that Canva is a better choice for users who want to create beautiful and effective designs quickly and easily, while Photoshop is more suitable for users who need more advanced and specialized features.